What's going on, everybody? My name is JPXL, JPixel for Gamer Fridge, and today we're unboxing the MV7 Plus by Shure, a podcast microphone. Yes, it is that time to upgrade the mic. Now, I have been using the Blue Yeti Snowball edition. Well, not Snowball, the Snow White, or the white, I forget what they call this white. It's really white. The really white mic. Been good. Been happy with it. Quality's been good. Just been lately, it's been like flaking out on me. I've been trying to, every time I use it with OBS, it works fine. But if I use it with like Restream or StreamYard or something else, it gets all wacky. Everybody says my audio's too loud and stuff. I don't have any control over it. So I just thought it was time to upgrade. Now, the cool thing about the podcast mic, the MV7 Plus, it works kind of like the Yeti does. Like, the Yeti has real-time monitoring, and you can plug it in USB, just like that. This does have this really cool touch thing. If you guys know who Michael B, the Game Genie, I think he got the black one. You gotta be careful. I noticed he muted his right away, so that's kind of touch sensitive. We'll look at that. Yeah, I just did some research. If I wanted to put in like a board so I can control it and stuff, like so a soundboard or something like that, you can, because it has XLR on it, but you don't have to. And so this just leaves me room to upgrade. Now, there is the $600 Shures. You'll see like all podcasters and stuff. This is, I guess, a step down because it's only $300, but it has the features I need. So, and room to grow. And so also with that, get that mic out of my face. Probably last time I use it. Is the FIFINE BM88 stand. So this one's going to be like, I have this stand here like mounted to a shelf here, so it's not touching the table. So it's going to be interesting. I'm going to have this mounted on the table. Now this is white too. We'll look at that too, but I wanted it to match the mic. I thought, it'd be cool to find like a pop filter that was white, but I couldn't find one. But I'll keep on the lookout for that. I thought it'd be cool to make it all white, just like the Yeti is. But out of focus. Woo. Oh, that sure. It wanted to focus on that. But yeah, I would like to. It's still pretty cool. So we're gonna check that out, and we'll do that right now. So let's move over to the top view for a minute here. Now let's see, get that in the photo. Get that in frame. So we're gonna look at this real quick. Got that little seal. All right. So yeah, that's what the box looks like, and there's all the information that we were talking about before. Let's open this bad boy up. All right. Welcome to Better Sound. Yes, Shure is very well known in audio spheres, and it's cool that they're more of a professional setting, and it's really cool to see them step into podcasting and video and stuff, web video and stuff like that. So there we go. Look at that. The ultimate control. Download the Motive Mix desktop app. Definitely will check that out. Sometimes those apps mess with your audio too much, but I definitely will going to check that out. Quick start guide. Hopefully there's not much to it. And here we go. There it is. There it is. All right, side part out here. I think this is my cable. Yep, very long USB-C. Well, that's interesting. It's USB-C both sides. I wonder if they have an adapter. My computer does have that port, so be interesting. All right, let's pull this out. Ooh, nice. All right, let's get it out of the bag. Ooh, this sucker's solid. Solid. This is metal, pure metal. I like that. All right. And take that off real quick. Okay. So this is like a, it's like they just cut one of their regular mics off and popped it in here. Not a bad idea. All right. All right, so there's that. Let's take a look at it. All right. Yeah. So that's mounts on there. And you put it on a stand somehow. You can put it like that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, it sure is nice. All right, let's switch cameras here. Okay. All right, so that is what that bad boy looks like. The Shure MV7 Plus. And it does have the headphone jack in the back. I don't know if I like that. I guess it's the same as the Yeti. So comparative, about maybe a little, I don't know, they're about the same size, to be honest. It looks different, but maybe it's slightly smaller, but tall, about the same size. So there is that. So yeah, we'll test out that sound quality. If you check out my streams on Monday, Open Fridge, I'll probably be using it then. And Arcades Anonymous on Wednesdays. Definitely, that's where I really want to test it, is when I'm on other people's streams, because that's where I've been having an issue. But all right, and next up, to go along with this, I decided to get this one. There's other ones. Let's move over to the top view. The FIFINE. I don't know why it's FIFINE. BM88. Now I'll have links to both of these in the description for affiliate links for Android or Amazon. Android. So if you want to check this out too. It gives you a way to mount it. So this one's supposed to be pretty versatile. Let's see here. All right. Okay. Let's go in here. All right. So here's my clamp. That sucker is fine. Look at that. Look how fine that is. All right. So that's cool. That will go really nice on this desk. Ooh, I like it's solid. I like the build on this. This feels very nice. Feels very nice. And then the arm itself. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Let's see here. There we go. So it's supposed to do that number. And then you're supposed to be able to like pop it up too. Yeah, so well I like that. It's like you can get it in the position you want and it should stay. It's got cable management, looks like. So yeah, definitely I'm liking this. So far I don't regret this. So there's that. Let me switch cameras. So there's that. Yeah, so give me an idea what you can do with it. So I'm basically going to have it mounted like this and then go like that. Stuff balls. So yeah, pretty cool. And I have adapters and stuff to mount that. But we'll check that out. This is the mounting kit to mount onto your mic. So that'll go on here, right, like that. So, all right, well that's it. We will I'll do some more testing, like I said, and we can check this out. And like I said, the links will be in the description if you're interested in this. I did pay for this myself. I didn't get sponsored or anything. This is something I wanted to upgrade my stream with, and definitely gonna check this thing out. It looks pretty cool. I'm happy with this clamp thing here. Oh, I like that. So it plugs in there, goes like that. So it's a little profile, and then I can have the mic right here. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you have any questions, about it, put it in the description. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I appreciate everybody watching. All right, here's just a quick test to see what it sounds like. I just plugged it in. Can barely hear myself. When I plugged it in, I could hear myself really loud, but right now I can barely hear myself, so I have to figure that out. Obviously, I'm working. I know if you touched it and you touch it again, it mutes you. So that's a cool feature. I might want to disable that just because you don't accidentally want to touch it. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. Did have a problem with the arm. The cable management part went open for some reason, and I broke it. So I broke off a little thing right there. Yeah, get it in focus. Yeah, that broke off. But I just put a cable management band around it. Good to go. Nothing crazy. But as far as the arm goes, yeah, this sucker just stays wherever you put it. So so far I'm happy with it. Don't know if I tap the desk, hear that, might have to move it. It's the biggest thing if I make a lot of noise. But this is without the software that they come with, so that could be different. But if you just did a quick vocal test, Shure mic. Like I said, if you want one, check out the description. Peace.